Welcome to DSPC TV. I'm your host, Sean Randazzo. I've been in the pizza business now for about 24 years, and I have to tell you, it's been a very exciting time and a very exciting, fun journey. I would lie if I told you I didn't have my share of major setbacks and challenges and failures. One of the reasons we created this channel is to kind of share some of that valuable experience that we've had over the years with our viewers. This channel was created as a source to get the information out there. I've been super busy. If you haven't known or seen in the headlines lately in your area, Detroit Style Pizza has been taking off, and it's kept me on my toes and my people. So with that said, I've been slacking a little bit on our content creation and getting that out there. We were really consistent for a while with our newsletter, blogs, all that, and then things the last year have just been blowing up. So I thought this would be the best chance and best opportunity for me to share with the world what's going on in the Detroit Style Pizza world. Some of the content you'll see us publish will be how-tos, techniques. We'll go over the history of Detroit Style Pizza, one-on-one exclusive interviews with people making Detroit Style Pizza all over the world. We also will be publishing recipes for Detroit Style Pizza. When it comes to different specialty pizzas, we might highlight one of the best sellers in one of the Detroit Style Pizza places somewhere around the world and have them talk about it and post a recipe. We'll also be going deep into how-tos, techniques, and tips on everything about the style, best way to market it, best way to manage the dough, how to reseason a pan, all kinds of great things. We're going to kind of get that ideas of what to post on the frequently asked questions we get via email and the phone calls we get into our distribution center. I want to encourage you guys, if you have any interest in Detroit Style Pizza, whether you're a consumer and love Detroit Style Pizza, whether you've just heard of it and maybe never have heard it and you've stumbled upon this page, or you're an operator serving it, this content is going to be directed to anyone who loves pizza and people. So I encourage you, subscribe and look forward to our upcoming videos.